You see, the tourism industry is getting more and more competitive than ever, with countless businesses vying for the attention of travelers worldwide. So to stand out in this crowded market, it is very essential to leverage innovative strategies, build strong network, and continuously support to changing trends. So we are so excited to share with the best way to rise above competitions and achieve inbound tourism success through 1WS. And the 1WS is a smart community program, and our platform is provides the tools, connections, and also the opportunities you need to thrive in this dynamic industry. So let me show you how it's done. Yeah, first of all, you need to register at the 1WS 1ws.app 1ws.app. Secondly, please update your profile. And how do you do it? You click contacts. You can update your profile, right? And also step number 3 is to connect. Please connect among ourselves. All the players are there. There are more than 500 players are there. Please request for connections. And step number 4 is to pitch. It doesn't matter whether you have your product, you can pitch directly, or you have idea without products. Some ideas saying cookings. So cooking class, something like that. So we among ourselves, we can try to assist you how to create a product. So once you have the pitch, either you have a product or not, you share your products. Share your products at 1WS. Share your product at 1WS. Then once you're all fine in order, onboard it. We onboard it at the platform, our own platform, Travel Yamu. And from Travel Yamu, you can go. You are ready for the international market. This is actually a marketing process. There are a few marketing process, and we hope that you'll be getting recognitions. You'll be getting the what they call have again good performance for your products. You can repeat and repeat again. You can repeat and repeat again. Repeat as many you can. So for further information, for step by step, so video tutorial, we have specially done for you a series of videos at Global Inbound Networking, globalinboundnetworking.com at 1WS. Here it is. globalinboundnetworking.com.1WS. So you can see all the videos there. You see, sometimes we need to push ourselves. We want success, but how? If we just more on relaxing tempo or relaxing mode, we need to push ourselves to make sure that we done this in a short manner, because as time goes by, as days goes by, more and more competitions, more and more players will come in. So I need you to please put it fast, use all these tactics, all these steps, and I really hope that challenge yourself. 7 days challenge. 7 days. 7 days. You go step by step. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5 until 6 for 7 days. If you can do that, I respect you, and we will assist you as much as we can. Dare or not, try it. So I hope that this will benefit your inbound tourism business, and I'll see you in the next steps.